Did you know there's a vitamin that could actually help your nerves heal? One that most people and even most doctors barely talk about? Nerve pain and damage can be life-altering, but there's hope in a surprising place. Today we're diving into the world of vitamins and how they can play a crucial role in nerve repair and recovery. If you've ever felt burning, tingling, or numbness in your hands or feet, you know how much nerve pain can take over your life. These symptoms can make even simple daily tasks feel overwhelming, and they often leave people searching for answers that go beyond painkillers or temporary relief. Here's the twist. It's not the famous B12. While B12 is important, there's another vitamin that's often overlooked, yet it can be a real game changer for nerve health. The real game changer for many is vitamin B1, especially in the form called Benfotiamine. Benfotiamine is a special, highly absorbable version of B1 that's been shown to reach nerve tissue much more effectively than standard thiamine. See, when your blood sugar is high, like in diabetes or prediabetes, your body burns through B1 fast. This is why people with blood sugar issues are at a much higher risk for nerve damage, also known as neuropathy. Without enough B1, your nerves can't process energy right, and that's when problems start. Nerves need a steady supply of energy to function and repair themselves, and B1 is a key player in that process. When B1 runs low, nerves become vulnerable to damage and can't heal properly. Benfotiamine is a fat-soluble version of B1, and it gets into your nerve tissue way better than regular thiamine. This means it can actually reach the places where it's needed most, helping to restore nerve function from the inside out. Clinical studies show it can actually help reduce pain, restore nerve function, and improve your quality of life, especially for folks with diabetic nerve damage. People have reported less tingling, better sensation, and even improved mobility after supplementing with benfotiamine. But don't forget the supporting cast. Vitamins and minerals work best as a team, and your nerves need more than just B1 to thrive. B12 is crucial for protecting your nerve's myelin sheath. This protective layer acts like insulation on electrical wires, helping nerve signals travel smoothly and efficiently. If you're dealing with shocks or numbness, get your B12 checked. Low B12 can cause serious nerve problems, and it's a simple blood test that could make a huge difference in your recovery. B6 can help too, but too much over time can hurt your nerves, so stick to the recommended dose. Always talk to your doctor or pharmacist before starting new supplements, especially if you're already taking medications. Magnesium is another must. It helps B vitamins do their job. Without enough magnesium, your body can't properly use the B vitamins you take, so make sure you're getting enough from food or supplements. And if your nerve pain is tied to viruses, like herpes or shingles, try lysine. Lysine is an amino acid that can help your body fight off these viruses and may reduce the frequency and severity of outbreaks. It helps block the amino acid those viruses feed on. By limiting their fuel, lysine can help slow down viral replication and support your body's natural defenses. And for those with autoimmune nerve issues like MS, vitamin D3 could make a real difference. Just be sure to work with a doctor if you go high dose. Vitamin D3 supports immune balance and may help protect nerves from further damage. Bottom line, for your nerves, think benfotiamine, B12, magnesium, lysine, and maybe vitamin D. These nutrients, when used wisely, can support nerve healing and help you reclaim your quality of life. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear it. You never know whose life you might change. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health and healing.